Hi everyone, how are you? It's me Farooq Khan. You are watching T&TECH support. Today I'm going to show you how to open an account in PayPal. So this one I just make three step. First step is you can download the application. Second is how to register. Third is how to deposit. So this account it's really free. Only when you apply the card, it will take only 30 dirham. Monthly there is no charges, there is no minimum balance, so you can use whenever you want, because when you are going to buy online any payments, you can pay on that, and then when you are going any supermarket or in the malls, you can pay it also. So you can just tap in the card, so you can pay. And there is another one thing, this is you can send to your country, example any nationality. For them it's open to send the remittance, the balance you can send to your home. So this is the special for this application, and you can use very easily. And how to register I will show you. So let's start my video. Okay guys, after coming mobile screen, then you have to open the apps store. If you are in iOS device, you can use apps store. So after coming Android, you can search here PayPal, PYYPAL. So and then after open the application, then click for install. Then here you continue. Then just skip, because you're not paying this application, it's free. Okay guys, so now the application is installing, so please wait for some time, because the application is installing from the device. So after that we will see here for the open, it will show green. So now you can see click open. So after that click open, here you have to click on create account, then continue, then write your name, your full name. So after that continue, then you have to put your mobile number, then next. Okay, so you have to wait little, and then after that you will receive a OTP on your mobile. So you have to put the OTP on here to verify. So I put it the verified number already. So wait moment, then here you have to create passcode. So this passcode should be a 4 digit. You have to put any number that you will remember. So next time when you are going to enter, so it will be need this one, so you have to put 2 times. So after that you have to then here you have to click that one, and then put next. So when you click next, after that you have to wait a moment, and then after that you have to click on here, you can see enter PayPal. Then here you can see the my picture, and then here you can see top up, send, so your identity verification status. So here you can see already it's they're showing under review. So after that when you click top up, you can see there is a under review. Then here you have to click on get a card. Okay guys, here you can see you need your Emirates ID and your selfie and your passport copy. So after that you have to you must be ready your Emirates ID and passport copy, and then click here for verified. So after verified, here you have to take picture. Please scan on daytime, because at night time it will take picture, or if you are inside dark, so that time it will be problem. So you have to take picture clearly. So here I'm take a picture, it's clear. and then after click, then they will ask you for the back side. So you have to take picture now your Emirates ID at the back side. So I take picture also from back side. Now we will give the selfie. So selfie now you have to make in the middle and check which is better. And then after that, if you see clear, you can click on take picture, and then just wait a moment. So it said please wait, uploading photos, checking errors, and then after that sending your data to for verification, verified you. And then after put your passcode, and then enter PayPal. So after that, here you can see the account is already we open already. So very simple to open this account. And then after that click on card. So after that we have to issue the card. So we'll click on here, it's get a new card. So before we get a new card, we need to verify it, our account. So here you can see talk us, we need to talk here. So here you can see they have conversation that hi there, how can I help you today. So before we get start, we need your email address. Okay, because they didn't ask the email address, so now I will provide the email address here because they ask. So email address, when they ask, you have to provide, and then after that send. So after we send the email address, we have to wait, and then you will see they will reply. So you have to wait little time because they are replying now. So here you can say what is your registered mobile number. So your mobile number should be put here. Example, I will put the number. They give the example the mobile number, but I put the normal number. So that's why they said so now you will receive a message. So they said ensure you do not leave space between the number. So he said don't put the number or hold right the. So after that we'll click on here account verification option, then select this one. Then just wait a moment, you can see here message copy. So after that here what they said, if you have recently verified your account, you can take 2 to 5 working days, but they will approve in 1 day also. If you have still need help to correct anything, I said yes. So because I put the number, it's the format is not correct, so I will put plus 971 and then after the number. So after that they will send again message. So still they are helping on the chat. So you can see here. So here you can see. Okay, so here you can see that hi there, we are sorry to be holding up you. So they said that it will take 92 minutes to approve this one, because they will check the documents, and then after that they will send on email. So I will open the application now. So guys, here you can see I already deposit some money, but how I did I will tell you, because here you see cash, debit, voucher, bank. So it's need money more than 30 dirham, because for I will click for get a card, and then here you can see 3 option. I will choose the second one, and then after that click on next. Then after that, here you have to put your delivery card delivery address. So you have to put totally full address, and then the flat number, and which building, which place. So all of this you have to fill up, because this one, when they are coming to for delivery, it needed. And then this one, when you are going to deposit, because you don't have card, so how you pay? So go in any pay machine, then just write your mobile number, which number you provide here. So same that number, and then after that click on next, and then here asking for confirmation. Then I'll just make comment here that I will tell that when you are coming, give me a call, because maybe I am not there. So I just make note. So after that, here when I will confirm, it will be sent, because this one, when I make apply for the card, I will just confirm. Okay, so here you can see I just write already everything. So when the guy will come to for delivery, then you have to show your Emirates ID, then confirm here, then stay cool. Here you can see it's already loading, it's already apply already for the card. Then here you have to click on here you can see already everything, I got it. Then the money is, you can see here is now is for 15 dirham, because already we apply for the card. So wait for the card, they will deliver you on maybe within 1 day or 2 days, they will deliver to you. Okay, so like this you can do. Then here you can see the how much they cut, and then the everything is here. Okay, so the bill number, transaction number also here, and then what transaction that I top up first 25 dirham, then after 20 dirham, then after I use for 30 dirham for the applying the card. So they deduct already the 30 dirhams. So I go back now, and then after that, here you can see my balance is 15 dirham now. So guys, if you want to send your country money, so here you have to click on send, and then after that select your country, then you can send your money. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to deposit the money. So go on any KIOSK, then click on others, then PayPal. Then you have to write the number, which number you active your card in account. So I'll write the number. So number is less, so I'll put the again the total number. So a full number, when you put here, then you will see your name. So make sure that your name, then you will put the money. So here you can see the name, and then the mobile number and full name coming next, and then after that you have to put the money. So please give one by one the money. How much you want to deposit, you can do. Even 5 dirham you can deposit, no problem. So then click on next pay. Then after that, here you can see the bill, it's here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see another video, you can visit my channel. And thank you so much for watching.